And action.
Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, I'm on my way. Well, I'm about to leave now. Yeah, I'm in the garage. I'm on the way. Alright, so what time does it start? Yeah. Good. What's the line? What's that? Wait, do I need to start the car? What are we doing here?
Yeah,
I don't know if we have the sound effect for that. You want me to start it?
do it. Get an insert of the car shot.
Alright.
Let's
do.
You got it? How's the lighting?
Good? Just start it?
Yeah.
For real? Alright. Alright.
Good. Speak a little louder at the end. Ready, Arthur?
We're just doing all the funny shit?
Doing the whole thing.
Just good? Everybody...
Just go.
Yeah,
Be
alright.
on your... Go ahead, action.
Hey. Yep. I'm in the spaceship now. I'm flying over now. There's a bird in my way.
Alright.
Fuck you, bird.
There's no cows in the script, so I don't see anywhere where you're not going to cow. Especially for actions. Alright, ready to go again? Rolling! I am not rolling, that is offensive. And action.
Yeah, man. I'm on my way. I don't know what you want me to do, but I'm on my way. I'm driving. Why do I have to say these lines?
Okay. Okay, make sure we're on second 3 to 4. Hold your hands out. Rolling. And action.
Supposed to be. What am I doing?
Bad bird.
Rolling.
Cut. Alright, ready? And 3, Peter.
I need Tom Cruise in the back seat. Cab driver driving. And I'm like, fuck you!